Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a pack of 12 RPG monsters by Anders Gulmarsvik, an official game gem by Komodo. It's called Boss Battle Build Bout. In this game gem, we basically have to create and submit a boss battle with certain conditions. Submissions started from September 13th and end on October 4th. Paranormal Evil, a survival horror puzzle RPG with a dice rolling mechanic where you have to rescue a girl from a hospital full of evil spirits and zombies. This next game is by the same developers and has the same RPG dice rolling mechanic, except the story is about overcoming obstacles in a tower and finding an elixir to save the princess. And this game is called Dice and the Tower of Reanimator, Glorious Princess. Next we have an MZ plugin by Synrec that adds a monster capture system to our game. And this plugin developer made 3 add-on plugins to the monster capture system. Next we have an MZ plugin by Avasoft Studio that adds an exit command to the title screen. An MZ plugin by Theo Allen that shakes the battler when they get hit. An MZ plugin by Noon that allows activating features and skills depending on specific battle conditions. An MZ plugin by Kannazuki Sasuke that allows us to customize the look and appearance of the item scene. MZ got updated to version 1.3.3, fixing some important bugs. And lastly, a video tutorial by Phil Chab on how to play animations below player character in MZ. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.